Guys, what a night! We witnessed at the FIFA World Cup 2026 as Argentina defeated Austria 2-0 in a match that will be remembered for years to come. This was not just another World Cup victory for Argentina. This was the night Lionel Messi made history once again and showed the world why he is considered one of the greatest footballer of all time. Coming into this game, Messi was tied with German legend Miroslav Klose on 16 FIFA World Cup goals. The football world knew that one more goal would make Messi the highest goal scorer in World Cup history. All eyes were on the Argentine captain, and fans, everyone were waiting to see if history would be made. The match started with some early drama. Argentina were awarded a penalty, and it looked like the perfect opportunity for Messi to break the record. But surprisingly, he missed the spot kick. Austria gained confidence after the miss and started believing they could make life difficult for the defending champions. For a while, it seemed like Messi's big moment would have to wait. However, great players always find a way to respond, and Messi did exactly that. Argentina continued to dominate possession and create chances, and in the 38th minute of the magical moment finally arrived. After a brilliant attacking move, Messi found the back of the net with a calm and clinical finish. The stadium erupted in celebration as Messi scored his 17th World Cup goal, moving past Miroslav Klose and becoming the highest goal scorer in the FIFA World Cup history. It was a special moment not only for Messi and Argentina, but for football fans around the world who were watching history unfold. In the second half, Austria tried to fight their way back into the match. They pushed forward and looked for opportunities, but Argentina remained in control. Emiliano Martinez and the Argentine defense stood strong, refusing to give Austria any clear chances. As the game entered the final minutes, Austria became more desperate and left spaces at the back. Then right at the end of the match, Messi delivered one more unforgettable moment. Deep into stoppage time, Argentina launched a quick attack. Julian Alvarez helped create the move, and when the ball reached Messi, there was only one outcome. The Argentina legend calmly finished to score his legend goal at the night and seal a 2-0 victory for his team. The goal was his 18th World Cup goal, adding even more shine to an already historic evening. The victory means Argentina now have 6 points from 2 matches and have officially secured their place in the knockout stage. The defending champions are looking strong, confident and ready for another deep run in the tournament. But the biggest story of the night was Lionel Messi. At 38 years old, in what many believe could be his 38 years old, in what many believe could be his final World Cup, he continues to break records and create magical moments on football's biggest stage. After the match, Messi spoke about his achievement and said that while breaking the record felt special, helping Argentina win and qualify for the next round was even more important. That response perfectly shows the mentality of a true leader. Even after making history, Messi's focus remains on the team's success. What makes this achievement more incredible? Tonight was more than just a victory over Austria. It was another chapter in the incredible story of Lionel Messi, a missed penalty, a record-breaking goal, a match-winning performance, and another history night in a legendary career. Football fans around the world will remember this game for a very long time, because this was the night Lionel Messi became the greatest goal scorer in the FIFA World Cup history. Now the big question is, can Messi lead Argentina to another World Cup title? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notification for more World Cup coverage. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.